Hey guys, so the best iPhone just arrived, the iPhone XS Max, and let's find out if the upgrades are worth it. Alright guys, let's get to it. So to start, this wallpaper is definitely pretty misleading, because you can't see the notch at the top, but it does look pretty nice. So pretty usual Apple packaging. As usual, we have designed by Apple in California. We got the hello packet, the SIM card ejector tool, and of course your stickers. Ooh, wow, that's pretty nice looking. Actually, we'll take a look at that in a second. So we also got the power brick, which is still, sadly, it's still the slow charger. And we also have the headphones. Now the phone does not ship with an adapter, which is pretty cheap. Since the phone does not have the headphone jack, they should definitely include the adapter. And the lightning cable. Alright guys, so honestly, really not the most exciting unboxing, but nonetheless, you guys came for the phone. So let's check it out. So the gold color is new for this year. And yeah, definitely pretty beautiful looking. You can also pick it up in silver and black. It definitely does seem pretty large, but it's not too large for me. So I'll put on my info and be back in a few. Okay, so one final word on the unboxing. It's extremely underwhelming compared to what most phones give you. But I will say the setup process is extremely simple. So you just use an old iPhone and it automatically syncs up. Alright guys, so I've been using the phone for about an hour. And I will say that the face unlock is definitely improved. So in a few seconds, we'll go over a comparison between this, the iPhone 7, the 8, the 7 Plus, the 8 Plus, and the 10. But for now, let's go over the specs. So you have a brand new 6.5-inch screen display, 458 pixels per inch. This is the largest display for any iPhone. Now on the front, you do have a 7MP camera. Again, the wallpaper really hides it. And on the back, you have two cameras at 12MP. And also a really nice glass design on it. Now the phone does not have a headphone jack, but it does have a lightning port. And it's pretty thin and lightweight. The phone has three storage options, either 64, 256, or 512. The battery is 3174, the largest for any iPhone. The chipset is the brand new A12. You also have 4GB of RAM. Also, the phone is water resistant IP68, and previous iPhones were 67. Okay, so brief size comparison between the 10 and the XS Plus. And this is also the same exact size as the XS. Now keep in mind, the XS is starting at 1,000, while for the XS Max it starts at 1,100. And I do like the size for the XS Max, but honestly I think that the XS size is good as well. Ideally I'd like the size to be right in the middle of the two, but of course there's no option for that. And now we have the iPhone 7 and the 8. Both are the exact same size, it's just with the 8 you do have glass on the back. But yeah guys, definitely a pretty obvious step up in size there. And now for the 7, 8 Plus. Again, guys, the 8 Plus is exactly the same in size, just glass on the back rather than metal for it. But both of these look to be, yeah, both of these are extremely similar. Pretty much exactly the same for them. Yeah, they're almost identical in size. Alright, so one final look at them. So we have the 7, the 8, the 7 Plus, the 8 Plus, the 10, the 10S, and of course the 10S Max. Okay guys, so first thoughts for the 10S Max. Now I do think it's an improvement for pretty much most of the areas. It's just that it's not a huge improvement really for anything. So to be clear, I'm sure it's an excellent phone, but it's not that exciting. It's definitely an S-tier update. But yeah guys, of course I will have a ton of testing coming. Gonna be getting right to the tests between this, the Galaxy Note 9, and I'll also have comparisons versus these three. So as always, thanks for watching, subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments below what video you want to see next.